I'm going to give you a good idea about 3D printing and CAD modeling and slicing. What are all the things associated over here? So we are going to look at the various sort of methods that are available to us in the present day context, not 4 years or 5 years back, because I always associate with my students regularly, and I also update my training modules time to time. So whatever I am going to discuss is can be practiced right now, and soon after the session is completed, you will have wonderful opportunity that you can start your own consultancy, 3D printing consultancy, with the help of the whatever the things that I am providing here, including my YouTube channel, that is Print3D Technologies, which I will be giving at the last. And whenever you feel like there is an important information, you please take the screenshot of that whatever the thing that I have been discussing over the period of time. Okay, so let me go now to the screen sharing and start my PPT presentation. So are you able to see the main screen? Just raise your hand, any one of you. Just raise your hand. Are you able to see the main screen? BEC Bapatla Atal FDP. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So the network issues will be there. So I will be always, my dear friends, I request you in the meantime, in the middle, because I might not be carried away without you following me. There is no use of this workshop because right now I am connecting with you from Pune, where I had been working as adjunct professor in Ajinkaya D.Y. Patil University at Pune in the computer science department. Though I belong to mechanical, I also have comparatively a good, strong background in the civil engineering as well as right now I'm in the IoT department of the Ajinkaya University, Pune, where I had been guiding students on things related to the emerging technologies, AI, IoT, and all that. So let us go, my dear friends. What is today's technology? There is a lot of sudden impact of so many things that are coming into our lifestyle. So you can see electric scooters, renewable energy, solar, water heating, smart things, and IoT things, automation, etc., that have been coming into picture. Very suddenly, from the last 10 years, the scenario has completely changed. So, what do you mean by additive manufacturing? First of all, additive, why we are saying 3D printing as additive manufacturing? Because we are adding on layers. So for example, if you want to manufacture something that is known as subtractive manufacturing, that is lathe machine and all we are using, we are removing some material to get the product out of it. That is called as subtractive manufacturing. But additive manufacturing, the scrap is less, you don't require any tools, you don't require any machinery. Of course, you require a 3D printing machine, that's a different aspect. So, and you just require some design, and that design you need to feed it to the machine, and your 3D model is going to be done. So, here we are also going to see one particular thing that is that is you are going to manufacture this. Even today, the technology is supporting by online platforms. You can upload your 3D CAD STL file. I'll just switch on the fan if you don't mind. Okay. So you can just hello, sir. Hello. Yeah, I request you, my dear friends, to kindly mute during this discussion. And when we are going for the doubts class, we can also have a one-to-one interaction. So, yeah, what I'm saying, even if you don't have machine, today the technology is there. You just upload your STL file. That also I will show you online, and you pay the required amount. That's very meager amount only, and you'll get the 3D CAD model to your home within 2 to 3 days by courier. Courier. Okay, so we will discuss about the knowledge of installation and troubleshooting software for slicing design and scanning modification, importing and exporting files. So, my dear friends, can you see the 3D printing machine here? Just raise your hand. Can you see the, yes, okay. So you have here one working bed. This is known as bed. Okay, okay. This is the tool holder, and this is the filament from the spool. The filament is coming to the tool holder. The tool holder is being heated at a temperature of 200 degrees. The plastic is going to melt, and according to the simultaneous coordinated movements of the work bed in X direction and the movement of the tool holder in Y and Z direction, the layer by layer deposition is going to be done, which is known as the 3D printing. So here we are going to upload the pen drive slot. We are going to upload our CAD file. Then we are going to do some initial settings for this nozzle heating and all. Then we are going to manufacture the 3D printing model. So if you are going to see, my dear friends, this is the general process. I will expand to the next slide. This is the general process of the 3D printing. You have a 3D CAD file and you have the STL. It is it is STL file. Then you have layer by layer deposition of this model object. Then you are going to get the final object. So here, what are the various methods of 3D printing? You are going to see the method, first method is the pen drive given by the manufacturer. It has some basic files, example files you can do from that. You can download some files from Thingiverse, which I will also show you. You can develop your own CAD models from tinkercad.com. That also I will show you. And scanning part we are not going to deal, but I will tell you how does the scanning happen. Next, what are the applications of 3D printing? Prototyping, specialized parts, aerospace, military, and these particular applications. Various applications today, 3D printing has been in the every sector. Civil engineering has also got its own impact on the 3D printing. You will understand what is the impact of 3D printing, how better we can use the 3D printing for our civil engineering applications. We will come to know by the end of the session. What are the limitations? Material wastage will not be there. Complexity is, of course, limited. Specific tooling is not required. The last minute changes in design, you can do it. Okay, reverse engineering is there. Reverse engineering means you are having the product, you don't know the design, you can make the design of the product, you can build a model from the CAD from the scratch and you can manufacture it. Okay, then what if we are not having electricity, access to some raw materials, but just we are having a computer. That is enough. A computer and a 3D printing machine can change your ideas into reality. That is the maximum of 3D printing. Any particular thing. Earlier, when I was teaching engineering graphics to most of the engineering students, computer science or computer science students, electronics, they used to ask, sir, what is the advantage of this drawing, sir? It's not our subject like that, they used to say. But I am saying now, 3D printing is the extension of the drawing. If you have very good drawing fundamentals, then you can design anything and everything in the world and make your idea into reality by 3D product. Okay. So what is the difference between 2D printing and 3D printing? 2D printing, just the printout we are taking, which has a length and breadth. That's all. Length and breadth. Okay. And what is 3D printing? We are having the height associated, three-dimensional length, breadth, and height. That is the 3D printing. So, what are the unique benefits? In few hours, you can change your idea to life. Okay. What you see is what you build. Manufacturing is simplified, fully automatic, unended operation, no part specific tooling. Last minute changes in design can be accommodated, reduced number of process steps and resources. So these are the various applications, my dear friends. These are the various applications. 3D printing or conventional manufacturing. That is, of course, whatever we are doing in the machining and all that. It's a different aspect. So now let us go to the CAD modeling by the Tinkercad. Okay. Until now, have you followed? Please raise your friends, my dear friends. Hello, please raise your hand. Hello. Yes. Until now, you have followed. Very good, very good, very good. Now let us go back to our another Tinkercad software. I am going to the software now. We will design some process here. Okay. Close this. Just wait. I will close this for time being. I will open the .com. Just wait. This I will close for the time being, and that both I will share the screen of that one. Now, my dear friends, can you see Autodesk Tinkercad? Can you see, my dear friends? Hello? Can you see?
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will just go back. Yes. In the Tinkercad, you have to go to, first of all, I will tell you how to open this tinkercad.com. Just go to Google and type Tinkercad login. You will go to the Tinkercad, you will go, okay, and then you will get this screen because I have logged in. I have logged in, go to the personal accounts. Google account I have opened. Now I am going to go to create. Okay, create 3D design. So you will get a work plane. Now, all of you, please see the work plane. Right click, you can maneuver the work plane. Okay, cursor down, you can move this work plane. Okay, now I am taking one simple object. This I am making one keychain. See, one keychain. I am decreasing it. These videos are available in my YouTube channel, Print3D Technologies. Okay, you can follow all the process from there. Now I am just making the radius. Now I am taking one hollow cylinder. I am making it round. I'm inserting it. I'm verifying it. I can move this a little bit with the help of this thing. Okay. Now I will just little bit. Okay. Now I have seen, I have inserted it. I make it as a whole. Next, I am going to select the entire thing. I am grouping it. Now my keychain is ready. Did you like, my friends? Just give me a hand in applause of this, whatever you have done until now. Keychain, hello, are you there? Yes, okay. I have made a keychain. Now I will make the text here. I will make the text here. See here how beautifully I am going to make the text. I will make a text. Atal FDP. Atal DP. Going to make a little bit. Next, I'm going to do, I'm going to decrease its size. I'm going to insert it a little bit. Okay. So now our thing is ready. So now what I do, I again select this and I group it. Then my dear friends, your keychain is ready. So this way we can make a simple object. You can write your name whenever you are going to mall or some cinema hall. You can write your name and cell phone number. And this, how to procure this online. You are not having machine. You are staying in some remote village. You want to present to your some friends happy birthday or happy Diwali or something like that. You want to present. Next, how you are going to get it manufactured from a 3D printing company. That I will show you, my friends. So this what you are going to do. So before that, yeah, I will just, you can change the name of this one from here. You can save it as keychain. This is the basic model that I train every student. Now we will go slowly to apartments, floor plans, everything I will tell you, my dear friends. So this is only starting only. Keychain I have made. Okay. Now I am going to export. You can see the export. I should do it in STL format. So STL format, it has been exported. Now I am going to keychain this copy. Next, I am going to paste it on my desktop keychain. It is pasted. Now, my dear friends, again, what I am going to do, I am going to a website, a third party website, 3ding.in. It is not mine, it is somebody else. It's a third party presentation. Divide slash services. Okay, slash services. Okay, you just type it. Then you are going to get an instant code. Browse in the desktop. Keychain is there, our STL file. Open. So that is not STL. I'm sorry. Yeah, our file itself is STL. I will just see where is the STL file. It is the folder actually. Tag this one. All files. Okay. STL3 has to be there. Just wait. Keychain 3. Yes. Open. Now it is uploading. Once it is uploaded, you will get the cost here, my dear friends, 327 rupees. If you upload number of files, some 5 or 6 files of your friends and all here, the shipping cost will be same. The cost of the product will decrease. Here you can give which color you want, black, red, gray, some limited colors are there. Please remember the text, everything will be in the same color. Okay, next you are going to check out. Next you are going to give your idea, your address, everything. I have given same as billing address. Proceed to pay. Next, you will get a scan code here. Okay, just wait. Okay, you just get a scan code here. It is taking some more time due to this network problem and all that. See here, my dear friends. Can you see this scan code, my dear friends? Can you see it? Just give me a hand. Hello, are you there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, yes. You just scan this code, phone pay or something. In 2 days, you will are going to get the phone. Don't go. Happy birthday, any function, any tie, anything. I will just tell you how to make a pen stand now. Within 2 minutes, you can make a pen stand. Write who has ever your name, friend's name, everything. Happy birthday, my dear friend. And send to this guy. Upload your file, scan it, and then you will get any apartment model. You make a consultancy, start your consultancy. So whoever become get associated with architects, get the file, STL file, and import it and make some changes in that and upload to this guy. Within 2 3 days, you will get the apartment model to your home. Okay, this is beautiful, my dear friends. No, I am not continue to. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes, exit. Just for your purpose only. I am showing. I am closing this window right now. I am also closing this window. So now, my dear friends, I will tell you how to make a simple pen stand also. Then we will go to our civil engineering model. Okay. So just I am taking one more thing. I am what I am doing. I am going to copy this one. I will take one more thing from this one. Let's make it small and bring it here. I will change the color, my friends. I'm going to change the color to differentiate. But I should see the bottom is also it is coming. So total hole will be there. So what I am going to do right now, I'm rolling with the scroller and bringing it to my nearest place. I am extending this one. See, bottom it is not there now. So this one I am going to make it a hole. Just select it, and is ready. I will zoom it for you. See how beautiful pen stand. Within 2 minutes, I made this pen stand for you. You do like it? Give me a hand. If you like, in praise of applause. If you like this, just give me a hand, my dear friends. If you like this model, both the keychain and this thing. You do like it? Next, yes. Yes, good. Thank you. So now I shall go to our apartment. How to make an apartment or a simple house, I will go. So this I am going to delete. This also I am going to delete. Next, I am going to tell you the how to make an apartment. Take this, my dear friends. Change the color, be more lucrative. Next, go here. This icon is there, search icon. Go there. Type grid. Grid. Okay, you will get grid. Select this one. I will bring it to me nearer. Okay, just showing the orientation. Now, what I am doing, I am making this columns 5. I am making this rows 5. I am extending. Okay, moving. Okay. Now I have made some columns and all these particular things. Next, what I am going to do, to just see here, what I am going to do, it requires lot of patience, my dear friends. See, I have brought it to the other side. Next, what I am doing, I am making this all into a hole. Okay, into a hole. Now I am selecting Grouping. So apartment is ready. See how beautifully your apartment. I will zoom it for you. How beautifully you want it on both sides. Okay, I will do it. Okay, come back, back. Next, select this and copy another thing. Next, bring it outside and then rotate it and push it. Push it that side. Okay. Next, what I am doing, this I am selecting as well as I am selecting this. Okay, I can select only one thing. I made a hole. Taking some time, my dear friends. A little bit of time will take. Okay. Again, I am selecting this. This also I made a hole. Next, I am selecting this entire area. I am just trying to group it. See, see how beautifully your apartment is ready. If you like this design, my dear friends, just give an applause. Just an applause from your side. If you like this apartment design, now we have covered how to make a CAD file, how to export it. Are you there? Am I still connected? Hello? Yes. Okay. Because because I think that I am sometimes not there and you have been going on. It's not good. Okay. So like this, you can make an apartment design. Okay. Now the next thing that I would like to go is the floor plan. Shall I go ahead with respect to the floor plan? Is there any doubt until now? You can ask me. Is there any doubt? You can ask me. I will go to the next this thing. Anyone can unmute yourself and ask me. Until now, whatever you have done, you have any doubts, you ask me. We will go for the next topic. Floor plan we will do. Anyone can unmute yourself and tell me any doubts you are having until now. Hello? Hello, are you there? Hello?
Sir.
Just tell me any doubt you are having until now. Unmute yourself and talk. Unmute, Unmute yourself and talk. Anyone is having any doubt?
Sir, it was a nice, sir. You have explained it very clearly, sir. Thank you for the explanation.
Okay, okay. I shall go to the floor plan, how to make a floor plan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am deleting this thing, entire this thing I am deleting. Next, I am selecting one this thing. I go back to this basic shapes. I am taking one this thing and going to change this color. Okay. Next, same thing I am going to copy. Just going to do some little that. Okay. And change this color. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it here. See from the top whether anything is required to change. Little bit. Just by addition of shapes, we can do wonders in this printer. Now I'm increasing it. This is a floor plan. Seeing that it's not matching down. Okay. Next, I'm going to select it and then group it. You are going to get this floor plan. Now, to make a door out of that, I just take this and put it this way. Okay, this way. Next, I'm going to push it. Okay, going to adjust the height. Next, I'm going to make it a hole. That's it, my dear friends. Now I've got door out of that. Okay, I want to make a window out of it. Look down, similar thing. And hole, got a door and a window, right? And you can make a number of partitions. And make, just take this color, of course, color, just copy it. Then make it, okay, this little bit, move this to here. This is one of the wall. This another wall. Just to the size, little bit, and then and just go to the top view, to here, top view. Yes. So this is how you can make a floor plan, okay, and a single bedroom, a double bedroom, or anything. You just need to sit down and maneuver this work plane for some period of time. Good amount of time, some 4 5 hours you need to spend. And there are a number of YouTube videos for all these particular things. Even you can follow my channel. This is the wonderful idea of the other process are same. This floor plan, you want to get it done. You don't have machine. You export it, and then exporting of that, you are going to that exporting of that. You are going to put it in that online platform, reading.in, and you are going to pay some minimum amount with your address and email ID and all that. If there are some technical problems, it cannot be printed or something like that. Then you will have a call from them. They'll say, sir, you need to modify the design. You change the design and send it again. You will get printed that, object within 2 days. Okay. Even in Pune, I get it in 2 days. They send it by airmail. And this is how I make my students do projects. They put the files online and then they get it here within no time before the submission date. So now let me go to how to convert an image. Okay, how to convert an image to the how to convert an image to the uh, what I can tell you an image to uh, the 3D printing object. Okay, I will take one this thing. I will not closing this one. I'm just minimizing this one. Next, I am going to go to the this PEC folder. I am taking one image. This is only a PNG image. This I want to convert. I want to convert it I want to convert it to what I can tell you apartment building Eiffel Tower. Okay. I want to convert it into a 3D printing this thing. So I am going to tell you how we are going to do it. So first, what I am doing, go here and 3D design. This will keep it as it is. Okay. Of course, I will remove this one. Delete. Next, what I am going to do, convert. Okay, convert convert JPEG to SVG. File format only it supports. You convert, you have this convertio. Okay, I am going to move this one. Convertio, go there, choose file. Are you able to see the screen, my dear friend? Convertio screen, are you able to see? Just tell me yes or no. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Just give me yes, that's enough. I will take my phone this thing. BEC, I am going to go further to this thing. And this is the file I want to open it. And then just convert, download. Your file is downloaded here. Go here, copy, then paste it here. Paste, SVG file is pasted. Then go to the Tinkercad. You can close this now. Tinkercad, I am going. Go to import, choose a file, desktop, all files. Go to that SVG file, refresh, images, right. Open. It is giving 554 length is not supported in our printing machine. Only 100 length is supported in my printing machine. Some printing machines can support up to 300 length, 300 width. So I am putting it as 20%. Instead of 100%, I am decreasing the scale as 20%. Next, I am going to import. My dear friends, see the magic. It's taking some time. Please wait for me. Yes, you see, your file is ready. Just image we have converted. Copy this one, through it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to move it here. Next, I'm going to rotate it. So sorry, it's not the rotation. Going very fast. Yes, yeah, I can change it a little bit here. Okay. I'm going. Your house is ready. From the image, I just converted this into an SPA, I mean 3D printed object. This is how we are going to do it. Okay. Please ensure that these dimensions are exactly okay. I mean to say this is you have to check whether it is on zero or not. See here, exactly on the base. It should be on the base. Okay. For the 3D printing to take place, it should be on the base. So again, export everything STL the same thing. So now we have seen the second method in the this thing. That is first one is CAD modeling. We have seen floor plan as well as the apartment modeling. We have seen the second one we have seen is with respect to uh, conversion of image to the 3D model. Okay, like this you can convert any image, but these images should be grounded. They should not be having any hanging parts because the nozzle cannot connect to the hanging parts. If there is any gap between the structures, these structures, of course, this is common. This is what I can tell. There is a connectivity. Suppose there is no connectivity, something is hanging, which you see in the apartment modeling, the basic elevation, you can see some rectangles and all these things which are not having any connectivity. Those things we cannot do, my dear friends. So you should check the authenticity of the design before going for the 3D printing. Otherwise, your total time and cost and all these particular things are going to be a waste. So, my dear friends, we have seen two methods. Next, we will see the other method. You need not have to develop the CAD file and you did not have to take an image and do this. You have already some inbuilt, like our enthusiasts, our friends. So many worldwide friends will put their models in the internet. You can just download that model, you can customize that model and go for the 3D printing. That is another way of doing the 3D printing, my dear friends. I will show you that also now. Okay, okay. So for this one, I am going to delete this one right now. I am going to go to the another this thing website. You can take a screenshot of this one, thingiverse.com. Thingiverse.com. You can just go to this one. Are you able to just wait, just wait. Just tell me yes. Are you able to see welcome to Thingiverse? Yes or no? Just
Yes.
tell me yes or no. Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, you can search. Yes, yes. You can search anything, my dear friend. Here, so many models are there, my dear friend. Any you are purchasing iPhone 13 or 14, I don't know what version is coming right now. You can just cover iPhone cover. You can type, download the STL file, write your name, your mobile number on that, and send it to the export to the 3D.in or Source 3D. So many service providers are there. Or if you have machine in your college, just put that STL file in that. You will get any. So many things are there. But let us now confine. You see how many beautiful toys and all these things. You can download and customize it, write it on that also, and do any so many wonders on this. Let me go for the apartment building, apartment building. I'm going, my dear friends. So now you can see so many of apartments, so many of city plans. So you see, this is one apartment. Okay, ready-made models are there here. See this one apartment. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, going to select one model. This model I'm going to select. There will be a small ad will be there. Don't worry. It's a little time only. I will close that ad. Okay, it is taking longer than the time. Okay, so you can have their files will be there. You just need to, I will come back again to that one. Yes, you can see here. If you go here, you will have, let me check again if it's coming or not. Yes, model. And if you go down, you will have files here, files. And that's just, so here you have the download symbol. You just download it and you will get the model here. It is ready-made available. Take this one, copy, next, then paste it here, paste, okay, apartment building one. Okay, now you go to the Tinkercad, next import, choose a file, apartment building, open, is in millimeters only, import. There is some sound is coming. I lost. Are you there, my friend? Yes or no? Hello? Hello? Hello, am I there?
Sir, any problem?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello, friends. I have lost some time. Where did we lose? Where did I lose you? Can somebody tell me? Hello? Where did
Yeah,
we
you
stop?
are audible, sir.
Yeah, tell me where we have stopped.
Uh, like going in
Hello? Yeah, I could not get you. Where did we stop? You
in
were-
keychain, you have uploaded the latest downloaded one, sir.
okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Have you seen the thingiverse.com, that website? Are you seen in my presentation now?
Yes, sir. It's completed, and you have downloaded it one thing, and then you have uploaded in keychain.
Yeah, yeah, that is okay. But last, where I missed you, some network connection is lost now. I think you have missed at the Thingiverse. Shall we start from the Thingiverse right now? Okay, I will share this. So here, what I am doing here, I am going to again go to create because I have lost that connection. 3D design, I am going again back. So I am importing that one. I am importing that apartment file. I am importing that apartment file. Whatever I have downloaded from Thingiverse, import. choose a file, apartment building, and just downloading that one. Apartment building. So the import has come. Now I think I want one big opening here. I will just take one thing here. Okay, I will make this thing. What I will do, I will push it. First of all, I will extend this one. I will push it. I am customizing this according to my requirement. Please observe what I am doing. So I am uploading this one. I am making it a whole. Select it. Then I am going to put it. I have downloaded the apartment and also I made my own customization according to my requirement. So like this, you can download anything from this Thingiverse. That's a beautiful website, Thingiverse My Mini Factory. So many things are there in that. Okay, thingiverse.com. So many things are there in this. So you can so many models, toys. You can just download, customize them according to your requirements. Even Eiffel Tower, if you want Eiffel Tower, I will show you Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is there here. See how many different types of Eiffel Towers are there. And just download, write your name, your college name, or some best wishes, happy birthday, or something on that, inscribe on that, customize them. All these videos are there in my channel, YouTube channel, Print3D Technologies, that channel name. I will show you, I can show you in the last, okay? So this is all these things we will do. But generally, what I'm saying, you should select, whenever these things are there, you should select like this. This is the assembled part, not this problem that is coming for until top of that one. The nozzle might not maintain the dimensional balance, so you can do it as a two parts, male and female part. Then put it one inside this one. This is the best design which will complete maximum half an hour. You can do this one. So every time I go to some A&B malls in Hyderabad or something, make these types of models, and for the younger generation, they will put their names on this, and make on a Sunday some 4 to 5 thousand rupees on this. That is my part-time hobby. I go and make some keychains and all these things. So I am a PhD. I have a startup. All these things, but money is my hobby to earn money. Even on a free day, I go and simply sit with that machine, some electricity connection. I have the startup idea, and you can have a consultancy sort of this thing in this particular 3D printing. There is a lot of opportunities that might be coming up. So, what is happening inside the 3D printing once you send that one? Once you send that one to the machining, or you want to machine it, you have your own machine. That file, whatever you are going to do, is to be sliced into layers, different types of layers. It needs to be sliced. So that is the software known as Cura. So this Cura is that software. Just wait. Am I on the sharing basis or not? Yes or no? Sharing I am doing or not? Hello? Am I on the sharing? Yes, I am on the sharing. Okay. Next, what I'm doing here, so I need to go to the Cura. Next, I just download that file, whatever the apartment file is there. I'm just downloading it here. Apartment building, I'm just downloading here. Apartment building is ready. Now I have to convert it into a G code file. G code file is that which instructs the machine how this layer by layer transformation should take place. That is one of the important things. That is known as the slicing. This is most important thing. I will make it as a slice. Slice it. Make a G code file out of that. Slicing it is doing, you see, it is doing this slicing. It will give how much approximate time it is going to take. See, it is going to take 2 hours 24 minutes. It is going to consume 19 grams of the filament, which is amounting to 6.39 meters. Okay, now I can see the preview of this also. Preview of these layers. I have that by layer. It is different. Now I can change that to save it to disk. Save to disk. So now what I am doing, I am taking it to the desktop. CF5P apartment building 1. I am going to save it in the desktop. Now, now open that folder. Open that folder. The desktop I am going. That CSP should be there. CSP. Then open folder. And I will do it. Desktop. There, no, already. Okay. I want to open. I want to open. I open this. Open with notepad. The code it has written. The slicer has written the code for the machine to generate layer by layer in the XYZ direction. See, it has generated this much amount of code. See, how many lines, my dear friends? 65,150 lines it has made just in a single second. It has made the code. That is the power of the slicer we are having. That is the power of the slicer. Uh, so, so that is how we are going to take that file into the pen drive. Pen drive and just wait. I will see where are we. The active speaker, so more people. Yes. So like that, I will stop sharing right now. My dear friends, like this G code file is going to be written by the slicer. So STL file is only one module. The second module is a version of that STL file into G code file. The third one is saving that into the pen drive. Then you are going to put it in the machine. Then start the machine, heat the nozzle and all that particular folder, and then start machining. Okay, this is how the total 3D printing is going to be done, my dear friends. What is that we have done? I will just share the PPT once again. I will share with the PPT once again, and we can have some basic idea of what we have been discussing from this particular point of time. PEC and this. Okay, now again I am coming back to my PPT. Okay, slideshow. Can you see the slideshow, my dear friends? Are you seeing the slideshow? Yes or no? Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, okay. So this is Tinkercad which we have used. It is earlier I used to use the 3ds Max by Autodesk. It is 4 GB. it takes at least 2 days to load the software. Now Tinkercad within no time you can just go to the work profile and start making your system. So whenever I go, I just open the Tinkercad. My students open it for the training sessions. I go all over India for the training sessions on weekends because I am a adjunct professor here in computer science. I only go in the weekends, Friday, Saturday. With minimum amount, I am not commercial person. I only take a minimum amount for my flight charges and the accommodation out there. And I try to help with people in the various emerging sectors such as IoT, 3D printing, and all that. So Thingiverse, my mini factory, we have seen. This is my website, print3dmax.in. You can connect me directly through that. And this is my various things that I have put earlier. I have to also have an account in Amazon. I used to put this different types of products of keychains and all that. This is corresponding to that time. Like this is the floor plan, my dear friends. How beautifully I have made it. See, another floor plan. Change this 3D printing machine that I'm using, SnapMaker. It's a portable. I take it anywhere I go. And this is station of participation. This is my B.K.C.Ganesh blogs is older one. Now I have Print3D Technologies. That is my channel name. So this is my brochure, Print3D Technologies. I can come to your colleges to deliver the offline workshops for your students of any branches of engineering. What you should do, okay? You should subscribe this channel. Please go through the 3D printing videos. To have a comparative cutting edge knowledge on this maneuvering of this workplane and all these things, making various objects. So consultancy you can start right now by purchasing a 3D printer, or you can order it online. You make the CAD model, order it on. Total budget will be maximum 20K. This is my, you can take a screenshot of this one. This is my mobile number, and you can connect me through WhatsApp because I will be busy most of the time. And this is my website, and this is my Print3D Technologies is my YouTube channel where you can connect. So thank you very much. I again thank Nag Satish Garu and Anil Garu and Chandrasekhar Rao Garu and the management of Papatla Engineering College for giving me this opportunity. Nice sharing my developments with you, my friends. This is not a research-based presentation, but this is a presentation which is based on giving an idea on the 3D printing technology so that you can practice. You can have a startup or some sort of a consultancy, and most importantly, you can visualize because now the Shapurji, Palanji, Lentil, whatever these things, they have the 3D printing, they have the floor plan, elevation, everything, apartments, everything. You can just do the CAD modeling of that and then get the model for any of the buyers or the apartment builders. You can show the realistic model, make some design changes, again do that modeling. So this is what is known as automation in 3D modeling and automation in 3D printing. So these are things that have been there. I have been working for the last 5 years on this project. So thank you, my dear friends. This is my presentation that I would like to bring to you. Now, any questions you should take up for the next 15 minutes. You can unmute yourself and come back to me. Are you there? Yes or no? Hello? Are you there, my dear friends? Yes or no? Yeah, please ask me some questions. Please unmute yourself and ask me some questions. If you like this session, please raise your hand or go to the React, and in the React you have this thumbs up. You just give me a thumbs up so that I'll feel happy that you have learned really something out of this 1.5 hour session. Please give this thumbs up, my dear friends, if you like this session. Thank you, Prashant Babu Garu. Vijay Gauri, thank you very much. You ask me some questions. Anything need not be related to the 3D printing. Yes,
Good evening,
yes,
Dr.
sir.
Ganesh. This is Professor Jagannath Rao from Hyderabad.
Please,
I have a
sir,
question, sir.
good evening.
You have used
Please.
Tinkercad. Can we use AutoCAD and any other drafting tool for this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can have
Any-
AutoCAD. We will have this floor plans and all. But AutoCAD 20 onwards, it supports the export option in the STL file, sir. It should be necessarily be
Uh,
exported in STL file, sir. That's all. You don't have to
ST
save it, sir. If
Okay,
you
ST.
save, it will be in the
Yes.
DWG format. You have to go to export
Uh,
and do it in STL format, sir. That's all.
okay. Thank you.
The remaining process
Thank
is
you, sir.
same, sir. Everything that G code and machining, everything is same, sir. So what is the advantage, sir? You will just convert it into a G code file, put it in the machine, and you get the final.
Yes. Thank you.
Earlier, we used to do in the plaster of Paris and all these things, sir. Now the technology has changed. Within 35 to 40 minutes, you will have the final product. No need of that gum plaster of Paris, integrate designs and all. This key, this whatever I'm saying, the windows, the small doors and the windows for an apartment, small segment. This all very integrate to do in plaster of Paris. Yes, just come up with some more questions.
I think no question, no more questions, sir.
Yes, 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 yes. So, do you want me to extend some more time, or it is fine? Whatever I have discussed.
So the next session starts at 7:30 p.m., sir. Uh, so if you want to explain anything, you can explain, sir. No problem.
Yeah, yeah. I will go through some topic. It's already 7:20. 10 minutes. I will just go through some of the important topics, research areas, briefing. Okay. So that's so. This is how the slicing is going to be. Tinkercad is the best software for this 3D design. It can be used in the web browser without downloading any software, and then it is extremely easy to use. Has built-in lessons. It has a lot of tutorials. The designs created are stored in cloud, so you will have your account, and whatever you design will be stored. Anytime you can revive that particular design. So, what I would like to show you right now is just I will show you the my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube. So here you type Print3D Technologies, Print3D Technologies. So this is my channel, Print3D Technologies. You go there, and this is some of the projects that I have done recently. Thoughts, some of the projects, ML-based IoT temperature control, LED print project. We just show some 3D printing on here. Here. This is an Eiffel Tower. You can see an Eiffel Tower being the 3D printed. Whatever I downloaded something ever. This is another this thing. Keychain manufacturing and 3D printing. So for my some of the latest developments in IoT, I deal also the civil IoT street lights and ML-based projects, and this is a project. An ML-based fan control for godowns and all these things. They're going to train the model on machine learning, and it is going to optimize itself. Automatic street lighting. Once it gets dark, the street light will be on. We are going to use the LDR sensor, light density. Speed control of EV in electrical vehicles. When you place the vehicle accelerator, automatically the speed of the wheel is going to be. So we have also keychains manufacturing, apartment model. So many of these things. Whatever I had explained you, available in the YouTube. You can just go through for a very extensive information and model. So this is the recent about the projects that we have done in our course in the computer science. So this is an ESP32 home automation. You can just put that PCB in the switchboard, and we can control the fans and lights and all. So that's it from my side. Thanks. How did you like the session? You can give the feedback. You don't need to you don't need to ask the question, but you can just share your feedback so that that feedback can use it in my upcoming presentation. If you want me specifically, I have not covered something, you can give the feedback so that I can incorporate it. Well, did you like my presentation? Did you have benefited from this one? Can somebody unmute and tell me for the next 5 minutes? Can you share your experiences? At least you can do that. You don't need to ask the question. Just unmute yourself and tell me whether you have been benefited from this. 1.5 second. Buddy,
Yes, sir, it's got benefited because we didn't have this 3D printing technology, and whatever the tools like the things where you have downloaded. I mean, we had only Tinkercad experience, but we didn't had this 3D design. Fantastic job, so and things was Ultimaker
thank
Cura
you,
3D printing.
Kandani. Very
Nice.
good
So
feedback
it
from you.
was good to get knowledge how to create a building and how to create a wedding and birthday things. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ganesh sir. Thank you for your presentation. So I hope all the participants have responded in the chat box, sir. Some people have already told the presentation was good. And, thank you for your valuable time, sir. And, we'll move on to the next presentation by Dr. T.D. Guneshwara Garu, NIT Varangal, Professor. So he'll be joining in a couple of minutes. So as soon as he joins, I'll be intimating you. Please don't go anywhere. Thank you.